Well, hello there. Dr. Atkin here with Family Focus Chiropractic, and today we're going to answer a question that I get all the time, and that is, Dr. Atkin, is it bad if I crack my neck and back all the time? Now, anytime I see somebody crack their own neck or crack their own back, I know that they need my business card, because healthy necks and backs don't crack. Now, let's be honest, I'm a little bit torn as to whether I really want to share this information with you, because there's my job security, right? The more people crack their necks and back, the more they're going to need me. Now, I'm just kidding. Of course, I'm more than happy to share this information with you, but I see it all the time. You know, people are going out and you see them cracking their necks and they're going this way and that way, and I see them sitting down there and kind of twisting their hips all funny, trying to get everything to crack. I mean, you know, you see athletes doing it on TV. I mean, a lot of people are cracking their own necks and backs, right? And the question that I always ask them when they ask me that question is, do you find that over time that you crack your neck more or less? Because if what you were doing was helping, then you would find that over time you'd have to crack your neck less and less and less. Whereas for most people, it's almost like they're cracking their neck more and more and more, or at least the same amount of time. The other question that I ask them is why? I mean, why are they cracking their neck? A lot of people say, well, my neck kind of hurts, tension builds up, I crack it and it feels better. And that's the sign that, hey, your neck's not in the right position. It needs to be repositioned correctly. And once it does so, then you won't have the need to crack your neck anymore. Now, so sometimes it's based on need, but other times it's based on habit. Sometimes people are simply in the habit. And sometimes even when, you know, I correct their neck and we correct the position, they're still in the habit of wanting to crack their neck. And that's just going to be a habit that's going to have to be broken like any other habit through discipline and other things that we'll be talking about as well too. But I want to address for people who feel the tension in their neck or their back or anywhere else build up, and it helps to crack it. If they continue to crack it and they're cracking it multiple times a day, and it's not getting better, here's why. So obviously, as a chiropractor, I dedicate my life to properly realigning the spine to take pressure off of nerves so that the body can heal properly. Well, I'm going to grab a plastic model of the spine here and kind of show you what we're talking about. So plastic model of the spine, this person will be facing out that way. These little bumps that I feel right here are the same bumps that you feel along your back. So what happens is that when the spine shifts out of position, there's one side where there's a bunch of muscle spasm and swelling and inflammation, all kinds of problems, right? That's the problem side. Then there's the other side that's not stuck. So one side's stuck, one side's not stuck. So to properly reposition the spine, I want to shift the spine back into place and get the spine moving on the side that's stuck. Now, when people kind of go through and crack their own, necks or whatever else, typically the side that moves is the side that's already moving. It's not stuck. The reason it feels good after cracking your own neck is that it temporarily stimulates the nervous system. It feels good. A couple hours later, a day later, we have to do it again. And that's because we didn't do anything to get the stuck side unstuck. As a chiropractor, that's what I do. I get the stuck side unstuck. And that doesn't mean it's painful. The adjustment isn't painful. It's just that that's not naturally the position that your spine wants to move. It's stuck out of place. It's going to take the path of least resistance when you're trying to crack it on your own. And therefore, you're furthering the problem because you're further reinforcing the fact that this side that's already moving too much is now moving even more. And the stuck side is still stuck. And so that's where, as we give you a gentle adjustment, we start to move that back in position. And quite frankly, one of my favorite things is, when people come in after getting adjusted, for a couple of weeks or a couple of months, and I'll be like, so how's that neck cracking going? And they're like, it's the funniest thing. It's like, I can't crack my neck anymore. And it's like, gotcha. That's the point. A healthy neck doesn't crack. Now that doesn't mean, when I'm, sitting down on a computer for several hours or, doing something else, sometimes I'll stand up and there'll be a little, few little, cracks and pops in there. And, so I don't want anybody paranoid that they're killing themselves by having, any sound come out of their neck or back. But you've got to limit that as much as possible. You got to let the professionals do their job. I go see my chiropractor every Wednesday morning. Believe me, if there was some way that I could teach people how to safely crack their own necks and backs and that it worked, then shoot, I just teach seminars, teach people how to do it. However, it takes a skilled professional to do that. So if you find yourself cracking your neck and back all the time, just realize it's just a matter of time. You're probably already in pain. You probably already need me. If not, you're going to need me soon. So reduce that cracking in the neck and the back. The other thing I see all the time, especially in high schoolers, it's popular now to have kind of the long hair for the guys, brushes in their hair, whatever. And so they're always flipping their head back one way to get the hair out of their heads. That causes the problem. Any repetitive movement, whether you're cracking your neck or flipping your head one way or holding it one way, it's causing a problem. And I'm more than happy to fix it. But here I am teaching you how to not do it in the first place. So please stop cracking your own neck and back. If you feel the tension build up, come in, get your adjustment. I'd love to help you out. You'll love our office. And so certainly feel free to come in and ask any questions that you have about that. Once again, Dr. Atkin here at Family Focus Chiropractic. Happy to serve you and your family anytime we can, and we look forward to seeing you soon.